I'm Wade Kleinert, President of Kleinert Insurance Group, and what I want to do today is help you understand better in North Carolina exactly how the teenage driver surcharges work on your policy. Now everybody knows the rates are going to go up when they have a teenager and they add them to the auto policy in North Carolina. But not many people really understand exactly how that's going to work, how it's going to affect them, and what they can do about it to keep the rates from going any higher than they have to. Now insurance companies understand that the more a child drives in its early years, when you're 16 or in the first year of driving, you're going to have a lot more accidents than you do in your second and third year of driving. So that's one factor that the insurance companies use to try to determine how much to charge. The second factor, though, is whether or not the child has a car furnished to them all the time. So really, there's two situations here that create 6 rating tiers. The first question you have to ask is, does the child have a furnished vehicle or not? So what the insurance companies call that is, are they a regular operator of a car or an occasional operator? Now bear in mind, you don't get a choice, because if you have 3 cars on your policy and you and your wife and your child are the 3 drivers, that child's going to get charged as a regular operator on a vehicle. But you do have a choice about which vehicle you apply them to, and of course the lowest rated vehicle will be the oldest one and the one with the least amount of coverage in terms of collision and comprehensive. So that's one consideration. The second consideration is, how long has your child been driving? And the way the insurance companies work is they have 3 tiers. Each tier is 1 year long. So the day your child gets their license, then from that day till 1 year after that, they're in the highest rated tier. After that first year is out of the way, they move down to the second tier, and your rates go down a little bit. And in the third year, they move to the third tier, and those rates go down a little bit more. But bear in mind, the way this grid works is, if your child is a regular operator of a car, then no matter which one of these 3 tiers they're in, they're going to pay more than if they're an occasional operator. An occasional operator situation, of course, is where you maybe have 2 drivers in your household, 3 drivers in your household and 2 cars. So what can you do to minimize these rate surcharges? Well, first of all, don't provide your child with a car. So if they're not a regular operator, if they're an occasional operator, you've essentially cut these surcharges in half. Another thing you can do, of course, is assign that to the car that has no comprehensive collision. If you're going to buy your child a car, make sure you get them one that's old, big, underpowered, and slow. This will keep your child safe in the event of an accident and make them less likely to have an accident, and you won't have to buy collision or comprehensive insurance on it, and so that's going to save you a lot on your insurance costs. We have a website designed just to help you make your child a safer driver. If you'll follow the site shown on the screen and visit www.teendriverinsurance.com/Kleinert, there are many tools there that can help you teach your child to become a safer driver, and tools that will help you as a parent to monitor your child's progress. If you'd like help with your insurance for your teen driver, and if you want to try to get the best rates possible, please give us a call toll-free at 877-687-7557, or visit us on the web at www.kleinertinsurance.com.